How to create Poppo live account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up or create an account on Poppo Live. To do so, first of all, you will need to ensure that you have already downloaded the official and authentic Poppo Live application on your mobile device. Once you have downloaded it, tap on the app icon to open it. On the home screen, you will need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Tap on the little circle at the bottom, and after that, you can use any one of these platforms in order to sign up for your account. Here I am selecting Google account. Tap on this login with Google option. You will be signed in with your Google account. Here you will be able to see this pop-up that says to turn on notifications. Tap on this confirm button if you want to do so. Allow the permission to send notifications, and then you will be able to create an account on it. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen, and then you will be able to see you have successfully created your account on Poppo Live application. So this is how you can create an account on Poppo Live. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.